Here is one of my filings to the water case, 1967 CV 17664, is that Shannon Reed, an attorney who knows nothing about property law, obviously. He is a very incompetent attorney. You should see his filings. Oh my God. You want to talk about a legal mockery and a really good legal comedian by his filings. It'll blow your mind. I mean, that's some really good stuff there. You want a good laugh? If you're an attorney, look up Shannon Reed's filings in case 1967 CV 17664. Mind you, my entire life I've been in property. And so anyways, Shannon Reed, Wendy Shipley's attorney, and Dana Ditomoso Junkman's attorney stated that there were liens. They stated a lot of lies about having liens on my property, and that they wanted my property to pay for these liens. So I wrote the clerk asking for these liens to be provided, as no lien has ever been made, no garnishment for those funds from the property have ever been made. And the courts responded, and you can see here, no property liens ever. They have these fake numbers that Wendy Shipley, Dana Ditomoso, and their attorney Shannon Reed created, and there is not one lien on any of my properties. They lied. And Jill MATTOON, the judge, granted frivolous, fabricated, perjured lien numbers that don't even exist, and for my property to pay these fees to them that are illegal. How, mind you, Shannon Reed also took a tort garnishment from another case where I was suing Wendy Shipley and Dana Ditomoso for lying, saying I was suicidal in my car for eating candy. And so I sued them. However, Judge LOBATO said that he could not hold me to attorney fees. So, and that's in the transcripts. But yet Shannon Reed went behind the court's backs and behind mine, and he filed with Wells Fargo and swore to Wells Fargo that he had a statutory lien. They paid out this lien. This is bank robbery. This is legalized bank robbery. And a tort garnishment is just like me writing you a bill saying you owe me money. It's not good. You can't garnish bank accounts with it. And so he's having a tort lien, and he's lied to Wells Fargo, having Wells Fargo pay a tort lien and said it was a statutory lien. It's a major, big difference. And yet he's an attorney. And yet he still has a license, and he's capable of practicing law. This is really, really scary. Really extremely scary. Do not use Shannon Reed as an attorney, Pueblo. He's horrible. He's horrific. He's a bad alcoholic. He's very deficient in his bills, and he's way behind, and he's so caustic and peril, and he's so desperate that he's willing to lie and get you in some big federal trouble. This is a federal crime. I mean, you could do some major time for the stuff they're doing.